Right, welcome back. I think we need to start stripping this down a bit more now. Hopefully do a bit more in this video than I did the last one. Over the last day or so I've been spraying everything up with the old WD-40, all the fixings. I've been spraying down that bore. I've just tried that kickstart and it's still seized up. Like I say, whether that is the piston stuck in a bore, seized in a bore, or it's something to do with the gears jammed up inside or rot inside, I don't know. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to start stripping some more off and see where we end up. And I will keep spraying everything. Right, wish me luck, and let's see how many bolts we can shear off, eh? Right, let's start with the tank. Let's start with the petrol tank, shall we? And click this. Petrol gauge. I think if we take these two off, which will be, what do you reckon? 17? Spot on. Spot on, my old mate. Oh. Can't see it all being that easy, but you never know. Like so, I have been spraying this over the last couple of days. Whether that's made a difference. Hopefully so. Hopefully so. Right, back to the takeaway pots. Back to the takeaway pots. These as well. Oh, what result? What result, he says. Right, do that. Same on the other side. I'll leave them on there. They need to be banged through. Soft blow hammer. I'll take it, they've got to be banged through. I'm pretty sure they have. Just try that. Just try. Nope. We go. I bet it's going to be a 15. No. Maybe if I unwind it, it might come out a bit better. I don't think that's meant to be wound out. It's working, so that's what I do. By the way, if I, well, I will apologise now for the heavy breathing. I noticed on my last video, sounds like it was blowing a gale outside, but it weren't, it was me. There you go. Yeah, so if you are watching and that's annoying, I'm sorry. rot. Right, let me put that back through there. There's a badge saying 80, and I haven't even checked properly. I was just going off of that, but I've just seen that, and I hadn't even seen it before. See if I can get you in. Right. Bear with me. I don't know if you can see that. 79 cm engine capacity. Yamaha Motor Company Limited standard motorcycle. Yeah, 79 max engine power, 4.9 kW. What's that saying? Yeah, a load of old other numbers that I ain't got a clue what mean. So yeah, so it is, well, I mean, yeah, someone could have changed the engine, I suppose. I need to try and sorry about this. I need to try and check that. Zoom you out. Oh, we'll get the hang of this. I will get the hang of this, honestly. I hope, he says. Yeah, obviously, yeah, the engine could have been changed. And you'd like to think, or hopefully not, because the 81 also will be a lot better than what the 50 will be, hopefully, if I can save it. If I can save it. I don't know why I keep repeating myself on these videos. I don't do that in normal real life. Well, oh, there's a nice bit of spring in them. Nice bit of spring in your old step. Oh, right, let me take that off now. Let's put that in there. Just put these bolts in this shock. Happy days. Right round to the other side. Right, what next? How does that tank come off? Do you know what? I don't even know. I don't even know. It must. I thought that just hooked onto them lugs, and they're bolted up there. And you pushed it off, you might have to. How many people now are going, no, undo that, do that. No, right, give me a minute. Oh, actually, I was just going to say give me a minute and I'll look in the manual. I will look in the manual, because I have got the manual. Well, what have I got here? Found a service manual, printed in Japan. Oh, actually, this might tell me how to. I doubt it. Thinking, will it tell me how to take the seat off? Right. Blah 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 blah. No. Now that should tell me. That should tell me how to take the seat off. You will notice as well, I do jump from one thing to another. Oh, it's got to be in there surely. If not, it'll be. I bet it's something simple. Well, I can't see it. Oh, that's a flipping good manual, isn't it? Alright, I'll have to YouTube it. Right, anyway, let's get some other stuff off. Let's strip some other stuff off first. Let's check in these side panels. Look at that, nice and original, look. Tell you what. Surely something's going to do. They're either spinning, rotting, topsy flipping wood screws. Oh, I don't want to break that. Let me just drill that wood screw out quick. I ain't having much luck today. Little and often. Little and often, they say. There you are. Right. I've got something off at least. Something like this. A clip. No, that should. Yeah. One ignition switch. Well, that's 3 things we've removed. Not bad for half an hour. Not bad for half an hour, he says. How does the rest of this? You know what I should have done? I should have actually looked at all this before I started videoing it. But then again, who does that? Who does that? I think we've got to take that other 10mm. Underneath the indicator. It's got to come out. Yeah, like I say, I should have maybe had a bit of a read up or do a tiny bit of research just to see before I attempted it. But then it's not really real, then, is it? It's part of the fun, I suppose. Learning as you go. Whistle and walk. Whistle. Yeah. Oh, look out. You might have 5 things off now. We're flying. We're flying. I'm just unscrewing the speedo. I'm flying now. Just getting warmed up, aren't I? That's all it was. I was just. Doddle now. Doddle. I'm doddle alright. I'm doddle alright, it says. That's these indicators. What's the wires for them? Single wire. I take it that means 6 volt. I haven't even looked actually. I'm assuming it's 6 volt.